Imagine if we could design an Amazon product that was by far the most efficient in terms of cost, ease of selling, and profitability. I'm talking about the best Amazon product to sell. What do you think it would look like? How much would it cost, and what Amazon category would it fall under? I've sold dozens of Amazon products, and over time, I began to realize that there's actually an ideal Amazon product. In today's video, we'll cover 7 must-haves when it comes to the best Amazon product, and by the end of this video, we'll be able to identify some of these actual products in the market right now. The first characteristic of an ideal Amazon product should not come to you as a surprise. It is one that is lightweight and small. Now bear with me because I'm going to realistically explain what is considered lightweight and small. Depending on your product size and weight, you'll be charged different amounts for FBA fees. For most product types, you'll either be categorized as a small standard or large standard size. These are the 2 best tiers to fall under because the FBA fees are actually the lowest with these 2. However, it's very rare to actually find a small standard product since the shortest side cannot be greater than 3/4 of an inch. That is why I would say the ideal product is going to be a large standard based on the following dimensions. As far as weight, we want to make sure our product has a maximum weight of 16 ounces or 1 pound. Somewhere between 6 to 12 ounces is going to be best and the most realistic. Now keep in mind that this does include the weight of the single unit package, not just the product's weight. The reason why we want to be in this range is that the FBA fees grow exponentially as we approach 16 ounces and beyond. So realistically, we'll have a product that is a large standard size and ideally between 12 to 16 ounces. Now this also plays a contributing factor to our storage fees. Storage fees are based on the cubic feet of storage that you actually have at Amazon's facility. So to avoid costly fees, especially in the 4th quarter, we want to make sure that our product is going to be in this large standard or smaller range. Now, the second characteristic is that our product does not contain any dangerous materials and is not classified as a dangerous good. This means that we do not want a product that contains batteries or any chemicals. Selling a product marked as a dangerous good will lead to higher FBA fees and eat into your profit margin. On average, you'll pay 50 cents to $1 more in FBA fees per sale for a dangerous good compared to a non-dangerous good. That is why it's so important that we avoid this. If you're unsure if a product is a dangerous good or not, use this ASIN lookup tool and check out a competitor that's in your niche to see if it is or not. Third, we want to make sure that this product is in an ungated category and that there aren't any strict product requirements. An ungated category is one that does not require approval by Amazon to sell in. Now, all categories are actually ungated by Amazon except for jewelry, music, and DVD and Blu-ray. As far as product requirements, some categories require your products to meet strict requirements set by Amazon, like in grocery and toys and games. In grocery, you need to be licensed, everything packaged and sealed correctly, and the list goes on. In toys and games, you'll need to provide a children's product certificate or a safety data sheet to ensure that the toy is safe for children. This will become very costly if your supplier did not do this on your behalf, and chances are they don't do it. The categories with minimal to no requirements and are not gated include sports and outdoors, home and kitchen and dining. So we want to make sure that our product falls in one of these 3 categories or one that meets this requirement. At this point, we have an understanding of what this product should start to look like and what category it should fall under, but the one thing that we're missing is the financial aspect and those characteristics. So the 4th characteristic is actually going to be how much we should sell this product for, which should be $15 or more per unit. The reason why $15 or more is so important is that it provides us with the best opportunity to reach a plus 35% profit margin. To better understand this, let's take a look at a product that sells for $7. Now it's important to understand that FBA fees are not dependent on your sales price. So even at the minimum, you're going to pay $3.07 or 44% of your total revenue per sale. Once you factor in the referral fee, cost of goods sold, and storage fee, you'll barely make a 15% profit margin. A plus 35 profit margin will provide you enough room for advertising and room to profit after your first or second batch of products. Okay, this brings us to our next characteristic, which is to have a cost of goods sold that is less than 20% of your sales price. Cost of goods sold is how much it costs you to manufacture a single unit of your product and have those products shipped to the final storage location. In the example above, at a $15 sales price, we would want to make sure that the cost to manufacture our product and have it shipped to Amazon is less than $3 per unit. Generally speaking, about 30% goes to FBA fees and storage fees, 15% to referral fees, and if 20% goes to cost of goods sold, then you'll be left with a 35% profit margin. All right, we have two more to cover before we can actually get into identifying products on the market right now that fits this idealistic Amazon product type. So the sixth characteristic is that our product is going to have room for growth. What I mean by that is that the product should have the option of adding variations like additional colors, designs, or sizes, and add-on accessories. The best products on Amazon all provide their customer different options, and this allows those products to grow over time. Lastly, the most important aspect to any successful Amazon product is that it solves a problem for the customer. Products that just provide the customer entertainment like toys and games, they tend to come and go very quickly. However, products that solve a problem for a customer are going to stay around much, much longer. If our product solves an important problem for a customer, it'll last for years to come, lead to excellent reviews, and give us the best opportunity to succeed. Always ask yourself, what problem does this solve for my customer? If you can clearly answer that, then it's going to be a good product. Okay, those are all 7 of my must-haves for this ideal Amazon product. And there are many more, but these are the 7 most important ones that I consider when I'm looking for that next product. Now let's actually turn to the computer and look at some data to see if we can actually find some of these products in the market today. The first product I reviewed were these magnets for curtains. It would actually be small standard size, which is a plus, limited product requirements, and it solves an important problem for the customer. However, the sales price would be below $15 unless I sold these in larger sets, and the room for expansion would be difficult. This wasn't going to work. The second product I looked at was much better. This was the black belt bag. This product sold for about $20 on average, had room for growth, no dangerous materials, cost of goods sold under 20%, and it was lightweight. The only thing I would look into before making a decision is if this product would somehow fall into the jewelry category, which in most cases it should not. So this product would work and fits our ideal Amazon product characteristics. One last niche that also fits into this product type are these pizza storage containers, which were a part of September's top products video. It has different variations for growth, priced over $20, cost of goods sold under 20%, lightweight and small, and it's in a great category. Next time when you're considering a product to sell on Amazon, check to see if it meets these 7 must-haves. By doing so, you'll give yourself the best chance of profiting and succeeding over time.